The driving force behind why I do everything I do is because I ain't have any role models.
What in the world?
I ain't have anybody to help me along the way. So we was just kind of on our own, learning as we go. And when you do that, you can get shot. When you do that, you can land in the penitentiary because it happens. So, I was lucky I landed on my feet and I was able to get my degree. But at the same time, I'm going through all of these issues. Well, even in corporate, so I ain't have any higher ups that was African American to help me, navigate my way through the corporate sector because I worked at PricewaterhouseCoopers for 10 years.
Yikes.
So,
okay.
yeah.
All right,
So,
beautiful.
and, during that time, my parents ain't pulled me to the side like the economy might tank, the real estate bubble might hit, Wall Street might crash. So I'm making a lot of bread at this time, and then all of this happened. Now I'm out of work. I'm out of work for 5 years, so I don't know what to do with myself. Luckily, I had the Obama unemployment, so I was getting a little love from that, but I had to reinvent myself. I had to pivot, and you got to think, like I graduated in '97. Technology's still moving fast. It wasn't no YouTube or anything like that, so I got to figure out how to read HTML. I got to figure out how to edit video. So the whole time, I'm staying abreast on my industry, plus I'm staying, like I got one foot still in the creative sector too. So I'm going to events, I'm going to art shows. I don't know nobody. I don't really care. So, one of the things, I was a flower on the wall. Now I know everybody. So I shot a video in East Cleveland. It's got like 70, 75K views on it, and that kind of went viral. And I just started vlogging after that. So the video helps me show the connection with me and the youth. So I got like 3 years of YouTube channels. I'm not getting paid. My YouTube channel got 3 years of content. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm editing it all night. This is just what it takes. Like you was talking about jobs and all of this stuff and finding a job. Well, now it's no bullet points, and I talk about this a lot. It's the videos. Your videos is your bullet points. People want to pull up and see if you worth what you talking about now. Like, you don't have to do video, but it needs to be some type of content. If you good with writing, then you need to write. We got the audio, so it's audio. It should be a podcast. It should be video and writing in all three, and you're going to really crush it. Because if you think about it, it's other designers out there. There's other teachers out there, but they might not be doing a video, so I'm going to win over them. So I'm doing it all. I'm doing designs, I'm doing teaching, I'm doing public speaking, I'm doing video, I'm doing podcasts, I'm on the radio. So it's like the more things in my arsenal, the more valuable I am. So if you watching the game all night, I'm studying video, so I'm going to beat you. So we all got the same 24 hours, but, if you taking a nap, yeah, it's what you do with it. So, I got an urgency because I'm 49.